Best gas pressure washer for cars listed in this video, considering their performance versus price. The gas pressure washers for cars mentioned here are not in any exact order, so watch till the end of this video, to find out which gas-powered car pressure washer is the best for you. And check out product links in the description below, for updated price and more information. First off, Simpson MegaShot gas pressure washer for cars, powered by Honda engine. If you are interested in Simpson MegaShot gas-powered pressure washer, check out product link in the description below, for updated price and more information. And now let's push ahead with our next gas pressure washer for car. Generac SpeedWash gas pressure washer for cars. Check out product links in the description below for price, customer reviews, and more information of these best gas pressure washers for cars. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to this channel, to get notified of our upcoming videos. Please feel free to share your own review, as well as comments, questions, or disagreements about these best gas pressure washers for cars.